Hello, everybody. This is Professor Marty Romero. I'll be your instructor for your summer Math 204 class. Along with this video, I emailed you a copy of the syllabus. In addition, you can find the syllabus on our course website on Canvas. And that's what I'm going to take a few minutes to do is walk you through our course website, introduce you to some of the important content of the syllabus, and then make sure you can view the calendar so you have an idea of what to expect for the summer. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you log into Canvas, you would then get to the home page here, which has the different modules, just a quick outline of the class. What you would do is click on modules first, and that would get you into the key content of the class. So you can see we have the course information. In addition to that, syllabus, calendar, my contact information. The WileyPLUS homepage is where you could find the online material from the textbook, but we would not be using that, and I'll explain that in a few minutes. You will also find the textbook solutions, the problem sets, the homework process we're going to use, which I'll talk about. All the solutions will be available to you. Addition, you'll have a section for problems of the week, projects, some important articles we'll read, and then you'll see the different modules chapters. There you'll see our lectures. I've posted PowerPoints, any handouts associated with that chapter or module, and then the problem sets for that chapter. And so you'll see that all the way to chapter 8. And so that's what you'll see when you get to the modules. Let's start off with the syllabus. And so when we get to the syllabus page, it's important to recognize first what the start date is. We'll be starting on June 18th at 8 a.m. So it's important that you have to be there the first day. I'll have to drop any students who do not make it on the first day. The textbooks that you're going to have, there'll be 2 books you'll need. One is called Math for Elementary School Teachers. It is the math textbook. It looks like this. It has a cover like that, and you can get that at our bookstore. You will also be able to, they have in small supply, they have them at the Center for Teacher Education in the S building. You may be able to check one out there also. With your purchase of the textbook comes WileyPLUS, which is the online system, but we don't use the online system in the class. You just need the textbook. Second book we're going to read or use is called Mathematical Mindsets, Unleashing Students' Potential. And so that's a book you can get at the bookstore also, and you may also get it, and it looks like this here. Here's the cover of it, Mathematical Mindsets. You might want to find that on you could find that on Amazon or any other place, but keep in mind you will need that second book for this class also. I'm going to skip the policies here from the syllabus. And so I then want to review the course assignments. What are you going to be doing in the class? For sure, you're going to be doing textbook homework. Textbook homework will come from the book. We'll have a special process to grade that. I'll talk more about that in class. No late work is accepted, so make sure that's that'll be an important thing to remember. I do grade on completion and also on do you check your homework, and so I have an important process here. Here's an example of how I want you to do your homework. You have your name, your assignment name, and you're going to leave a blank space up on top of your homework so that you'll have a reflection area when you come to class. I expect you to check and grade your own homework. Okay, so we'll go over that, but that's going to be the process we use. Additional assignments for the class are problems of the week. There's 2 that are take home and 2 done in the class as a group. And so those are important aspects of the class. Another type of assignment are the book forum posts. You'll find those in the discussion section here. And so there you will do a post for each of the chapters of the book, not of the math textbook, but of the math mindset book. And so that's where you'll post those. And we'll use a say, mean, matter process here. And you would follow that protocol, and I'll grade that there. Again, I don't accept anything past the due date. So those are some key assignments. We have some assessments in the class. You'll have a midterm and a final. I provide the problems ahead of time so you can study with those. There is one project. It's going to be a poster you're going to make related to the mindset book that we're reading. And so those are the main assignments that you're going to have in the class. The grading scale is important here. As you can see, we have the different grading policies here, so you can see what we have. We have homework, classwork, problems of the week, your wanted poster, which is the project on the book. I do have something called learn checks. They're kind of like quizzes, but I call them learn checks. We'll have 4 of those, and then midterm and final. The last thing I want to share with you is the calendar for the class. And so when you get there to the modules, you will take a look at the calendar here. And that summer calendar that you have here that pops up here, you will see the work that we have on a daily basis. You have the work here on a daily basis. Additionally, what you will have is you will see with important dates, learn checks, midterms, and so forth. So you want to make sure you review this material. Other than that, email me if you have any questions, and I will see you on June 18th.